Hello. Welcome to the parshealthtv channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. In this video, we want to talk about 5 quick, easy, and healthy breakfast ideas. Among all of the factors that affect the overall health of all human beings, diet plays the most important role. Diet is the key to having both mental and physical health. In between all the meals in a day, it has been strongly suggested by experts for years to have a nutritious breakfast to have a healthy body. If you start your day with a healthy and efficient breakfast, it will keep you fresh and full all day long. The benefits of eating breakfast are numerous, such as it encourages you to eat healthier because it keeps your stomach full and prevents overeating. It balances your blood sugar. The reason is having breakfast in the morning makes the body work more, which can cause better breakdown in glucose amount. It also boosts your metabolism. If you are on a diet, do not skip breakfast ever, because it gives your body the message of starving, and it starts to conserve and avoid to burning calories. Having breakfast can increase your energy. For those who have to do the physical activity, it is necessary to have a high-quality, healthy breakfast to energize their body. Also, for those who have to do mental activity, breakfast can have a great influence of brain working and at last. About benefits for hearts, as it decreases blood sugar and increases metabolism, it supports your heart from diseases like blood pressure. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. In this video, we will share 5 recipes of healthy breakfast with you that are rich in vitamins and protein, as well as they have an efficient amount of calories. So, stay tuned. 5. Herb omelets. Protein, fiber, and vitamins are the best combination for a healthy breakfast. Omelette is the easiest breakfast ever. This healthy food, which is rich in protein, vitamins, and fiber, just takes 10 minutes to be on your table. Heat the oil, preferably olive oil, in a pan. Beat 1 or 2 eggs in a bowl and mix them until they become frothy. Pour the eggs in the oil. Distribute eggs evenly in the pan. When the underneath layer starts to stiffen, add some spinaches to it. You can also use mushrooms instead of spinaches, or you can add both, but try to add more vegetable to your omelet to have a healthier breakfast. You can roll half of it over the other part, and add tomato sauce on it to make it look more beautiful. Serve it with peppers. 4. Pancakes. Pancakes are very delicious and super easy to make. We are going to tell you healthy apple gluten-free pancakes, which can be made in 15 minutes. For making this pancake, you can get pancake powder from the store, and add milk and eggs to it. Mix all ingredients, applesauce, eggs, 3 tablespoons honey, vanilla extract powder or liquid, baking powder, cinnamon, and salt, in a blender for 1 or 2 minutes until the texture of your ingredients becomes smooth. Add olive oil to a pan. Pour 4 tablespoons of pancake batter each time in the pan. Let it cook until it becomes light brown and little bubbles appear. Roll them back to cook both sides. Follow this instruction until your pancake batter is finished. When they are ready, you can add honey on them and little slices of apple, and pour little cinnamon on them. You can serve it both cold and warm. 3. Smoothies. Smoothies are the easiest to make. You just need to blend all the ingredients in a high-powered blender. They are a mixture of natural sugar, vegetables, and vitamins, and rich in minerals. The smoothie we want to tell you is a combination of banana, mango, and spinach, which contains healthy fats, fiber, and protein. You need 1 cup of almond milk or coconut milk, or soy milk, a banana and mango, preferably frozen, 2 handfuls of baby spinach, ½ teaspoon of sugar-free vanilla powder. You can add 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds. Depend on your taste, you can add it or not. And the only thing you should do next is to mix them all in a blender and serve it. There are plenty of smoothie recipes. If you do not like this one, there are hundreds of them outside, you can try them. Two. Taco. Taco is a traditional Mexican food. This food is made of a special kind of bread named tortilla. Tacos have many different recipes according to the cook's taste. You can fill your taco with meat, chicken, fish, and other seafood, even with cheese and vegetables. We want to give the recipe of taco meat because it is rich in iron and fiber and other nutrients which are necessary for your health. First, cook the onions and garlic together in the oil, add pepper, and then add ground meat to it. Wait for 10 minutes to let your meat become ready. It is ready when there are no pink parts on it. You should stir it constantly to have better cooked meat. Then add corn, beans, and optional vegetables like avocado to it. Put all these on a tortilla bread and roll it, and serve it. One. Oats. Whenever it comes to having a healthy breakfast, oatmeal is on the top of the list. They are delicious, healthy, rich in nutrients, and everything that your body needs for starting an energetic, healthy day. Another nice thing about oatmeal is that it just takes 10 minutes to make them ready to eat. Oatmeal is a wonderful choice for those who want to lose weight. It keeps you full for a long time and gives your body many beneficial nutrients. For having quick oatmeal, you need half cup of oatmeal, a little salt and cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of blueberry or any fruit you like, 1 tablespoon of sliced almonds, a cup of water or milk. You can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of honey to it if like sweet tastes. Boil the milk or water at first, and then add all of the ingredients we mentioned before to it. Let it cook for 5-10 minutes. There is no need to stir it frequently. Your quick healthy breakfast is ready. Breakfast is a very important meal in a day. Never skip it because it will hurt several parts of your body. The digestive system and mental progress are 2 of them. Not having breakfast will impact your daily functions, your energy, even your mood. We gave you 5 recipes of wonderful healthy breakfasts that can be ready in 10-20 minutes. If you don't like any ingredient in the recipes, there are lots of alternatives for them. So, there are no excuses for not having breakfast anymore. Have your breakfast and protect your health. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.